Here in the withdraw function, you can see my cumulative rewards from my remote miners, what is currently withdrawable and what is my balance. I can just go here and also add the token to my wallet if I haven't done it before. This is an important part when you do it the first time, where you just choose, okay, I go to my MetaMask, and there it will forward the contract address of the token, but I have already added it to my wallet. So I don't need to do it now, but for new users, this is important to do so you see actually the token in your wallet. So now I can just go to withdraw, and there I see the request form from the page, and I accept it. Then I say I want to withdraw all my balance, wait for MetaMask to pop up, and there it shows me exactly what I'm doing, what I receive, and the gas fees. Always good to check. And I confirm this, then it takes a moment until the withdrawal is confirmed. There it is. I withdrew all my current rewards on balance, and they were added to my AKRE pool up here. I can of course cross-verify and also check in my MetaMask wallet that it has been added. Of course, it has been added here. So this is how the basic withdraw function works.